Hello, ITC artists. I'm going to show you guys how to complete the art criticism section in Unit 3 in the screencast. This is the home page. I'd like you to scroll down to your buttons and click on art criticism. In the first section, the Do It Now weekly activity, you will have a practice art piece to observe and to look at to get used to how to do the art criticism assignment. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to go ahead and read your instructions for the module, and then you're going to go ahead and practice completing the first art criticism piece. So you're going to do the 4 steps of art criticism, describing, analyzing, interpreting, and judging the artwork. You're going to go ahead and copy, right click, copy, and then click reply. Go ahead in the text box, you're going to hit paste, and then you can go ahead and complete your responses. I'm going to go ahead and click back to the module and then go to your first assignment for the art criticism practice. You're going to go ahead and click on that assignment. It's a little bit different than your practice one. Each week you will have, each day you will have a separate art piece to view. You will have 4 pieces for the week. So I would suggest completing 1 per day and really balancing out the work. You're going to go ahead and observe the artwork. You're then going to describe, analyze, interpret, and judge the artwork. Remember, when you describe, you're going to tell me what exactly you see in the pieces. Make sure you're using complete sentences. When you analyze, you're really breaking down that artwork. You're going to go ahead and tell me what elements and principles of design really stand out in the piece and really dive into that artwork. For interpret, you're going to tell me what you think the artwork represents. What's the mood? What's the artist communicating? Really think outside of the box on this one. Interpreting is kind of probably the most challenging step in art criticism for students, but once you kind of get used to it, it'll become very easy for you. And then judging is probably the easiest step to art criticism. You're going to tell me what you think what you think about the artwork, if you like it or dislike it, and you're going to simply tell me why. Be honest with me and make sure, you're not just telling me you like it because you want to, tell the art teacher what she wants to hear. If you don't like a piece, be honest and tell me what, maybe specifically you don't like about it. So when you're ready to submit your assignment, you're going to go ahead and click Submit Assignment. You're going to copy the 4 steps to art criticism and then simply right-click and paste them down into the text entry section. And then you're going to go ahead and write your complete sentences for each of the steps of art criticism. Good luck, you guys.